Melania. Thank you for watching. Please say go. You like maths? Maths matters. They read, they write. You use maths. Will you shopping? Will you cooking? Will you bake? I love maths. I like to demonstrate. So maths kid. Let's start it! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Hooray! You are amazing, and I know you can count till 100. But can you count till 200?
Okay.
Let's count.
102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 155, 156, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189,
You're amazing, and you count until 200, no problem. Can you count from 200 till 300 by 10?
220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300!
Lasечko, you are amazing. You count by 10 till 300. Can you count till 1000 by 100?
300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000!
Well done. Milasечko, that was amazing. And can you count till 10,000 by 1000?
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 10,000!
Well done. And the last one. And finally, can you count till 100,000 by 10,000?
10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000!
Well done. How old are you?
I'm 4
And you can count till 100,000. Well done. Additing and subtracting. So what does it say?
3 plus 4 equals
Do you want to count it?
7.
7. Well done. I expected you're going to count, but you don't need it to count.
Like this.
Well done.
Yeah. Here.
Well done. Let's do next
What
one. What do you need to do?
11 plus 8 equals 19.
Well done. Do you want to write it down?
Okay, I see 9. Focus on my phone.
Well done. Should we move on to the next one? So 11 plus 8 is equal?
19
Well done. Next one.
is this.
Now tell me, what is it? It's subtracting. 5.
Minus 2 equals 2.
Well done. Do you want to write it down? Well done. That's amazing.
Minus 5 equals 14.
Well done. Do you want to write it down?
Okay.
Amazing. Well done. You are so good, Melania. You're very good at maths. Congratulations.
Bye, Melania. Thank you for watching.